In this video, I'm going to show you how to align checks in QuickBooks Desktop. So to do this, first you want to go to Printer Setup. So click on File, top left, and then here click on Printer Setup. Now you want to switch up top and go from Report to this one, which is Check/Paycheck. And then in here, you can see you can, of course, adjust everything like the printer you want to use, the printer type, check style, etc. And then what I want you to do is to click over here on the right where it says Align, okay? So click on Align. And what you want to do is basically print a sample. So click on Print Sample over here, and it's going to print you a sample. Now what I would do is to hold it up to a light source against your pre-printed check stock, and then use the built-in alignment grid, which is essentially these two things over here. So this one and this one, the vertical and horizontal, and then you can adjust the horizontal and vertical offsets, and that way you can find alignment, okay? Now you can then click on OK whenever you're done, and that way you can, of course, align checks, and then when you're printing, they're gonna be just as you want them to be. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.